Ever wondered what sets wealthy individuals apart from the rest? Is it just luck, or is there something more? You already know who it is, and on this channel, we explore the secrets to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the top 10 personality traits that are common among wealthy men. These aren't just habits they pick up after becoming rich. These are ingrained characteristics that contribute to their success. Let's get started. Building wealth isn't about winning the lottery or stumbling upon a hidden treasure. It's about consistently making smart choices with your money. That's where discipline comes in. Wealthy men understand the power of delayed gratification. They're willing to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term gain. Think about it. Every dollar you spend mindlessly is a dollar that could be invested, earning you even more money in the future. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy your money, but it's about finding a balance and making conscious decisions. A perfect example of this is Warren Buffett. He's known for his frugal lifestyle, even though he's one of the wealthiest men alive. He still lives in the same house he bought decades ago and enjoys simple pleasures. So, how can you be more disciplined? Start by setting a budget and tracking your expenses. Wealthy men aren't just wandering through life hoping for the best. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are relentlessly pursuing their goals. This laser focus allows them to stay motivated, prioritize their time effectively, and make decisions aligned with their ultimate objectives. They set ambitious, yet achievable goals, breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps. This approach not only makes the journey less daunting, but also provides a sense of accomplishment along the way. Think of it like climbing Mount Everest. You set base camps, acclimatize, and conquer each stage with determination. So, what are your financial goals? Write them down, break them down, and start taking action. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and maybe even a few faceplants along the way. But what separates the wealthy from the rest is their resilience. They understand that failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. When faced with challenges, they don't get discouraged or give up easily. They view these setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, analyzing what went wrong, and adapting their strategies accordingly. Remember, even the most successful entrepreneurs and investors have faced their fair share of failures. The key is to not let those failures define you, but to use them as fuel to propel you forward. So, the next time you encounter a financial setback, don't beat yourself up. Learn from your mistakes. In the world of wealth building, knowledge truly is power. Wealthy men understand that the learning process never stops. They're constantly seeking new information, expanding their skill sets, and staying ahead of the curve. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and surround themselves with experts in various fields. This thirst for knowledge allows them to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and adapt to the ever-changing financial landscape. So, what are you doing to expand your financial knowledge? Make it a habit to read books, follow industry experts, and engage in conversations that challenge your perspectives. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions and create lasting wealth. Building wealth isn't a solo sport. Wealthy men understand the power of networking and building strong relationships. They actively seek out mentors, partners, and collaborators who can provide valuable insights, support, and opportunities. They attend industry events, engage in meaningful conversations, and nurture their professional connections. They understand that their network is a valuable asset, providing access to information, resources, and potential deals that wouldn't be available otherwise. Wealthy men are also generous with their time and knowledge, offering guidance and support to others. They understand that building genuine relationships is a two-way street, fostering trust and mutual benefit. So, get out there and start networking. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Wealthy men are strategic thinkers, approaching their finances like a game of chess. They don't just make random moves. They carefully consider their options, anticipate potential outcomes, and develop long-term strategies. They understand that every financial decision has consequences, both immediate and long-term. They take the time to research, analyze, and plan their moves, minimizing risks and maximizing their chances of success. This strategic mindset extends to all aspects of their financial lives, from investments and business ventures to estate planning and charitable giving. So before making any significant financial decision, take the time to plan strategically. Remember, a well-thought-out plan can make all the difference in your financial journey. Building wealth often requires stepping outside your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. Wealthy men understand this principle and are willing to seize opportunities that others might shy away from. They recognize that every investment involves some level of risk, and they're not afraid to put their money where their mouth is. However, they're not reckless gamblers. They approach risk strategically, thoroughly evaluating potential downsides and mitigating potential losses. They understand that calculated risk-taking is essential for growth and are willing to bet on themselves and their ideas. So, while it's important to be responsible with your finances, don't let fear hold you back from taking calculated risks. Remember, the biggest rewards often come with stepping outside your comfort zone and seizing opportunities that others might miss. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Wealthy men understand the importance of patience and are willing to play the long game. They don't expect overnight riches or get swayed by get-rich-quick schemes. They know that true wealth is built gradually through consistent effort, smart investments, and the power of compound interest. They're willing to delay gratification, allowing their investments to grow and compound over time. Think of it like planting a tree. It takes time, nurturing, and patience for that seed to grow into a strong, fruit-bearing tree. So, be patient and stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. The financial landscape is constantly changing. New technologies emerge, markets fluctuate, and economic conditions shift. Wealthy men understand the importance of adaptability and are willing to adjust their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. They're not afraid to challenge their assumptions, embrace new information, and pivot their approach when necessary. This flexibility allows them to capitalize on emerging opportunities, navigate economic downturns, and remain successful over the long term. So, be open to new ideas, embrace change, and don't be afraid to adjust your financial plan as needed. The ability to adapt is crucial for navigating the ups and downs of the market and achieving long-term financial success. Wealthy men take full responsibility for their financial well-being. They don't blame external factors or make excuses for their financial situation. They understand that they're in the driver's seat and have the power to shape their financial future. This sense of responsibility extends to all aspects of their financial lives, from managing their income and expenses to making investment decisions and planning for the future. They're accountable for their choices and understand the consequences of their actions. They educate themselves, seek advice when needed, and take ownership of their financial destiny. So, take charge of your financial life. Remember, you are the architect of your financial future. So there you have it, the top 10 personality traits of a wealthy man. They're about cultivating qualities that empower you to take control of your finances, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content on finance and wealth building. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for financial freedom.